Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Myself is Munjat Manali. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise 2.5 till 5th problem we have done. Remaining problems in this class I will be continuing. So students, this class will be taking I will be taking in English and Hindi, so that most of the people can reach it. And one more thing, please like it and share it. So students, now let's start the class. So, exercise 2.5, first problem of today's class is sixth problem, m minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. So divided by 3. So students, this is a question. We have to do it. Now we have to find the value of m. इधर अभी हम लोग m का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. So now we will do it. So now we'll split it. m minus into plus minus होगा m by 2. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2. I am splitting here. Is equal to 1 minus m by 3 plus 2 by 3. Now I can take like to m terms एक तरफ और numerator type एक तरफ. So I will take m minus m by 2. I will keep it as it is. Now I will bring this one plus m by 3. This I will pick this side, this I will send this side. So I will get 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Now here LCM I can take it as 6. So here I will get here 6m minus 3m plus 12. Which means got it? Now I can take here LCM as 6. So I will take 6 minus 3 plus 4. In this way, so 6 cancel. 6m minus 3m is 3. 3 plus 2 5m is equal to 6 minus 3 3. 3 plus 4 7. So here I will get m value as 7.5. This is a recursion. In this way you have to solve this problem. Okay. अभी ऐसा सॉल्व करना चाहिए ये प्रॉब्लम को. सो स्टूडेंट्स आई गो टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. So 7th problem, simplify and solve the linear equation. So 7th one पे ऐसा है. 7th one, 6th one और 7th one. 7th one is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 5. 2t plus 1. We have to find the value of t. So first, wait one second. 2t plus 1. Okay. Now पहला अभी 3 अंदर लेऊंगा, 5 अंदर लेंगे, so that this calculation will be easy. So अभी क्या करेंगे, 3t होता minus 9 अंदर ले आओ, इसलिए अभी क्या 10t होता plus 5 plus 5 होता. उसके बाद अब t एक साइड न्यूमरेटर अलग साइड करेंगे. 3t रखो, ऐसा रखो, ये साइड लेकर आ चलो. सो क्या होगा बोले तो इधर -9 -5 होगा, 10t minus 3t बोले तो ये 70 होगा. -9 -4 बोले तो -14. सो क्या होगा 7 + 7 2. सो t is equal to -2. दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड सॉल्यूशन. ओके, t का वैल्यू -2 आएगा. ओके, नोट इट डाउन. आई गो टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. So t minus 2. Okay, next problem. Eighth one. Eighth one, the question is 15 y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of y. So how can we take this? Multiply all this inside so that we can know it. So what we get? 15y minus 15 4s are 60 minus into plus is minus 2y minus into minus plus 9 2s are 18 plus 5y plus 6 5s are 30 is equal to 0. Okay students, now we will take 15y all one times, all y terms this side, all numerical on that side, so that the calculation will be easy. 15y minus 2y plus 5y is equal to, this side we means plus 60 minus 18 minus 30. Difference 15 plus 15 20 minus 2 18y is equal to 60 minus 13 30 minus 18 12. So y we get 12 by 18 means we can divide by 6 2 by 3. Required answer is y value is 2 by 3. Okay students, it is very easy, you can solve it. Please note it down. I will go to the next problem. So next problem, 9-1. 9-1 is 3 5z minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 8z minus 13 minus 17. Here we have to find the value of z. Okay. First you take multiply the both the inside so that the number will be easy. 3 5s are 15z minus 7 3s are 21 minus 7 you take it minus into plus minus 9 2s are 18z minus into minus plus 22 is equal to, अभी इधर पे करो 4 8s are 32z 13 4s are 52 minus 17. Okay, got it? Now bring like terms one side and numerator on other side so that the calculation will be easy. So I will take now 15z here only. After that I will take 18z. 4. Now minus 32z. 4. Now I will take all terms minus 52 minus 17 plus 21 minus 22. Okay. Now I have to simplify. So here is the minus 32 and 32. You must add. So if you add both means what will get? 32 plus 8 40 minus 50 minus 50 means minus 35z I will be getting here. Okay friends, minus 35z. So what we will get here? Plus 21 minus 21 means it will be minus 1 will be greater. So minus 18. 52 and 18 means 70. I will be getting minus 70. So z is equal to minus 70 by minus 35. So z is equal to, I will be getting 2. Z value is 2. Okay, friends? Okay, z is equal to, in this way, how to solve the problems. Okay, note it down. I will go to the next problem. इट इज वेरी इजी, ये बहुत इजी है, तुम लोग कर सकते हो। करो 9th one is what? I go to the 10th one. So 10th one is 0.25 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 to 10f minus 9. So we have to solve, we have to find the value of f. So how can I write this one means, I can write it as 25 by 100. 4f minus 3 is equal to 5 by 100 10f minus 9. Questions? Now 100 I can cancel it. Is equal to sign this, so you can cancel it. 5 1 5 5. So I will get here 5 4f minus 3 is equal to 10f minus 9. So from here you can solve it. 5 4 20f minus 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. So shift the places. 20f minus 10f is equal to 15 minus 9. So I will get 10f is equal to 6. So f is equal to 6 by 10. Otherwise 0.6 is a good answer. Okay students, got it? So in this way we have completed the exercise 2.2. From the next class I will be taking the exercise 2.6. I am hoping that you are getting my class very well. Okay students, one more thing, please like it and share it as much as and subscribe my channel. Okay. Okay students, I will continue the exercise 2.6 from the next class. Hoping that you are liking my videos very well. Please comment it and like it. Okay, thank you.